them. Don't what they did is knowing they hid. They should have died, but God clothed them. Covered in the blood since round one. If all our works are cow dung, how come before the flood the Lord above still found one? Another mother covenant of grace, being the reason Jehovah didn't waste them. Hate in a moment, day of atonement. God intercedes for the nation. What if this was your world? Never seen hope in the cold world. What you knew was cut in two, and Christ died for the whole world.
Hey, do you know what grace is? Look back to those places. You know you should've died, I can see in your eye, but God on high was gracious. Nope, couldn't been fate, kid. You didn't even know what fate is till God gave a new heart, breath in your lungs. By grace you were awakened. For no love, Jacob, still to the great day sacred. But this life had a big price. God required a sacrifice like Abe's kid. Pro-BTIA, shit, N-O anyway. Stid, Tay-Tay-L-E-S-T-I. He sealed my mediation. In the middle is a mediator. I owe it all to my liberator. He satisfied it all. God's wrath and man's need to be redeemed. Oh, in the middle is a mediator. I owe it all to my liberator. He satisfied it all. God's wrath and man's need to be redeemed. Psalm 7 and 11. Every day my Father's mad at the sinning of my kinsmen. Ephesians 2, child of wrath. Who can take us off this path? Who can save us from our past? Only Christ's compassion, perfect justice, and His mercy can. No one else is worthy, man. If He's reaching, grab His hand. And when you're in His palm, tell me who can pluck you out it, man. Asking who can save this man. Tell him that my Savior can. Cause the mediation we all need is in His saving hand.
Framework of redemption, see the Father, Son has built it. From the fall to the cross, went from promise to fulfillment. Kingdom established, His resurrection